Hey everyone, this is David here. Due to popular demand, I'm doing another trading session without any indicators today. Yeah, it was quite popular request. I really enjoyed the last one. So today we are stripping everything away for a completely clean setup. It's just pure experiment. A lot of you guys on my channel are just starting out in trading, and I'm always happy to share my knowledge and my experience with you guys. I started the same way, actually, confused by all the indicators, strategies and technical terms. It sounds complicated, it looks complicated, but believe me, after years of studying and learning the craft of trading, I've gained a lot of insights and knowledges. Still, it's great to go back to basics, and you guys motivate me to do this today. So let me share the basics with you. We're sticking with the classic strategy: support and resistance lines or zones. All you need to do is identify 2 or 3 key price points, the highs and lows. The support line sits at the bottom and the resistance line at the top. Basically, the price moves within this range, or corridor as some call it. Well, yeah, sure, there can be false breakouts, but for the kind of scalping we are doing today, especially with options, we're focusing on trading within the range. So basically, we will just follow the trend. As you can see, the price is moving, and we will be opening trades for 1 to 3 minutes. If the price travels to break through the resistance line, we calmly open the trade for a sell. Let's see how the strategy plays out. Let's see. We are trading the Euro USD pair today, one of the most popular currency pairs out there, especially with all this market news recently. I think you hear it. Alright, first profit locked in. We're not trying to predict the market perfectly here. We just observe how the price behaves around key levels. Looking good so far. So I'm opening another $100 trade. The foundation of our strategy, simple geometry. The simple geometry what makes us profits. Yeah, of course, it's important to have a reserve in your account, because trading isn't always predictable, as you may know. Sometimes you will face losses, and that's the part of the game. Okay, you see, another good profit. Yeah, we're going well. So yeah, I don't want to increase my trade for now. Yeah, I'm using the money management rules, so I'll keep $100 trade and 2 minutes also, like. So yeah, yeah, it's why we need to change something if it's already worked, right? So we see that a new candle has started to form, but the trend overall is holding steady. The downtrend is quite strong. See? Yeah, so I suggest open again according to our trend. The trade with downside, let's sell. Let me remind you that if we are following the strategy, in the case of a losing trade, we simply double the amount and we repeat it. Okay, everything is fine. What do we do in this case? If we are confident that the price will still move with the trend, after all, yeah, so I don't think so that this is the formation of a new uptrend, and you can see for yourself that the price is slowly coming back. Oh, let's double the trade then. Okay, we just place another trade for downside of $200. The price is returning to the trend. We see it was a small breakout, but it's not scary for us at all. So I trade calmly. As you can see, the euro-dollar pair is absolutely great. I suggest we go for one more trade in the end. So today yeah, I'm already tired, so let's put one trade for 100 since the trend is strong. This way we can clearly see the range in which the price is moving. I don't think it will do quite much from this path. Well, keep things steady and place another 100 trade. I think that's enough for today. It's time to finish in profit, lock in those gains and go enjoy ourselves. So guys, I hope you enjoy today's session. As you can see that if you follow even simple strategy, it's work well, and also follow the rules of money management. And yeah, well, we in the profit, when a good profit. Let's calculate the numbers. I'm a big fan of exact numbers, you see. So it's 5 trades, 4 in plus, just one $100 trade in minus. The total profit is 1,502. That's a nice. And yeah, for 1 hour I enjoyed the time to share with you some basic knowledges. I hope you also enjoy.